Well, I thought about doing this uh, extremely the exact same, and only massively differently. Um, this is segment 3. Basically, I'm going to be working on updating and preparing the new sound system um, and get it working. There's more components coming, obviously. So, other than that, and preparing myself for the epic battle of wills as I must attack the bureaucracy in order to attempt to attain my benefits. So definitely you all want to watch out for that in the next videos or two. And here we go, skipping off to the closing.